Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, I hope you have enjoyed your Sankranti vacations, children. And let's get back to our studies now. So, we have completed with 16 blocks in maths, isn't it, children? So, we will start with the 17th block, which is 3D shapes. You have learned about 2D shapes, isn't it, children? The triangle, quadrilaterals, pentagon, hexagon. You have learned number of sides and names, corners, and isn't it? So those are 2D shapes, okay, where we will learn they are measured in only two dimensions, that is length and breadth. Here we will include the height also. That's why they are called as three dimensional. Okay, 3D shapes, three dimensional shapes. Okay, so in this, our first topic is classify 3D shapes. Okay, that means we will get to know what are the different 3D shapes we have. Okay, and which 2D shapes we use to draw this 3D shape. Okay, so let's start with the see. Identify one 2D shape that can be seen on the face of the given 3D shapes. So here they have mentioned at least to write one 2D shape, but I have mentioned all the 2D shapes which we can see for given 3D shape. Okay, so the first one is cube. Okay, so how the cube looks like is like this. So this is a cube. Okay, you can take the example of your dice or Rubik's cube. Those are cubes examples. Okay, so what shape can you see here? The 2D shape. See, look here, what you can see, a square, isn't it? So here also it is a square. Here also on the up also you can see a square, isn't it? So the other sides below, all sides you can see square only. So here you will write it as square. What 2D shape you can see in a cube is a square. Okay, next you have a cuboid. So if you draw a cuboid looks like this. Okay, so you can take the example of a brick or a matchbox or a rectangular lunch box also. Okay, so if you see those things, it is a cuboid. Okay, and if you see, children, if you see from here, so this looks like a rectangle, isn't it? But here you can see a square, isn't it? On up you can see a rectangle again. At the back also it will be a rectangle. And if you see from this side, you can see a square. And from bottom also it becomes a rectangle. You take an example of a matchbox. Take a matchbox, or you can take a brick. Brick might be not be available. Take a matchbox if you have. You can see the rectangles and squares on it. Okay, so here you what you have to write is square and a rectangle. Okay, sometimes it might be all sides rectangle also. Okay, for a matchbox it's all side rectangle. If you take a brick, it is two sides, there'll be squares, the other sides, other four sides will be rectangles. Okay, next, cone. So cone, this is your cone. Okay, you can take the birthday cap. Okay, birthday cap, or your ice cream cone. Cone ice cream, the cone ice cream also, it is in the shape of cone. Okay, and if you look at it, you can see a triangle here. So this is your triangle. Yes, and here you can see a circle, isn't it? So here you have to write triangle and circle. Okay, so those are the 2D shapes you can see in a cone. Okay, cube, cuboid, cone. Next you have a prism. So prism is like this. Okay, children. So example would be like a paperweight. Okay, paperweight might be the example of prism. Prism you can see very less examples, children. In that, one of it is paperweight. Okay, and if you look at it, so here you can see a triangle, isn't it? And here you can see a rectangle. Yes, at the back you can see a triangle again, and this side it will be a rectangle Down also will be a rectangle. Two triangles you have and three rectangles you have. So you will mention that triangle and rectangle. Okay. Next you have a sphere. Sphere is like this. You can take an example of any ball, children. Football, volleyball, cricket ball, tennis ball. All the balls are like sphere. We live on earth which is spherical in shape, isn't it, children? It is sphere in shape. It's like a ball. It's like an orange. Yes? So, ball. Okay, balls, the different balls are the examples of sphere. And you can see the circle, isn't it, children? So here the 2D shape you can see in a sphere is a circle. Okay, next you have a cylinder. Cylinder will be in this shape, children. So example of cylinder can be your batteries which we use in a wall clock. Yes, or your water bottles also. Water bottles also are in cylinder in shape. Okay, so here what you can see, so if you see this part, this is in the rectangle shape, isn't it, children? Yes, this is in rectangle. Yes, and here you can see a circle. Bottom also you can find a circle. That means you can see a rectangle and two circles, isn't it? So that's what you will mention, rectangle and circle, or circle and rectangle. Okay, so in this way you can identify the 2D shapes in the given 3D shapes. Okay, so write this in your classwork. Try to draw it, children, because we have to learn in the next topics. You have to mention what are the properties of these 3D shapes along with the diagrams. So from now only, if you draw, it will be easy for you to recognize them and also to understand them. Okay, so draw it and write it in your classwork book. Okay, these are the 6 different 3D shapes that we will learn in this topic, in this block. Okay, and coming to your next question, find one shape that does not fit into group. Give reasons. Okay, that is the first question, and this is the second question in this topic. Okay, so find one shape that does not fit into the group. Give reasons. Okay, so cube, cuboid, sphere. If you see, children, cube and cuboid, if you remember, recollect the shapes, all the cube and cuboid have straight lines to draw. Okay, and for sphere you don't have any straight lines. There is no standing line or sleeping line or slanting line. Yes, for cube and cuboid we don't have any curves, but in sphere we have curves, isn't it? So in that you can write, so which is a different one, that is sphere. And sphere, how it is different? Because it does not have any straight lines or the flat faces. It has a curved face, isn't it? So you have to mention that. Okay, next, sphere, cylinder and prism. So sphere and cylinder have curved face, isn't it? And prism have flat face. So prism, it does not have curved face. What does it have? It has a straight flat face. Okay, so that's what you will mention. Next, prism, pyramid and cylinder. So prism, pyramid and cylinder. So in this, cylinder have a curved shape, isn't it? So you will write cylinder because it has a curved face. Okay, next. So these are the two sums what you have to write it in your classwork book. Please write it down. And coming to your homework, volume book 3, children, complete volume book 3, page number 5, S1, classify 3D shapes. Okay, so in the next class we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.